Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a modification station in Subnautica 2. The modification station will be one of your best investments in the game, since it will quite literally, from the name of the building itself, modify your tools and even your vehicles. Now, without further ado, let me show you how to get it. If you've progressed further into the game to the point where the coordinates of the alien ruins are pinned on your map, then that's the location that we're going to be exploring. If you don't have the coordinates, it's quite literally just east of the life pod. Once you've reached the edge of the hot biome, then in front of you will be the trench that the Leviathan is currently living in. I suggest lying close to the ground or to the lowest that your tadpole can handle, and if you're lucky, the Leviathan shouldn't find you. As you can see here, I'm frantically looking up to make sure that the Leviathan is not on top of me. Once you've reached the other side, keep going east and you should find the ruins. Find the entrance off to the side of it, and you should be able to find the modification station inside the facility. And don't worry, you only need this one fragment to get the full blueprint. Now back to your base, the station will need 2 pieces of titanium, 2 pieces of celestine, and 2 pieces of copper. You can find a few celestine on the bottom of the trench that the Leviathan is currently patrolling. Once you've got all the materials, just plop it down, and that's about it on how to build the modification station in Subnautica 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.